Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dhaval. I'm here in the heart of Mexico City, in the Central District. It's my first day here. I'm walking back to my hotel. I just had lunch, nothing special, just like a small pizza or something, you know, just to keep me over till this evening. But I'm over here at this really, I think, one of the city centers here, and I just kind of want to give you guys a shot of what I'm looking at here. It's really cool, and just really awesome here. Just a really, really great city. I keep saying everybody should be coming to Mexico City. It really is one of the great cities of the world. There are over 25 million people that live here. It's the largest city in North America. But you know, aside from that, it's really, you know, there's a lot of traffic, everything like that, but it's really cool. It's really it's kind of like walking through New York City or something, except a lot cheaper, and you know, to have restaurants and, you know, have some fun and everything. It's much more inexpensive, I'd say. I think if you were to compare this to like Los Angeles or San Francisco or some of the other cities in North America. But again, just kind of want to give you guys a shot here of the city. I'm in the Central District and I'm staying at the Hotel Bristol, and I'm walking back right now to my hotel. People are kind of looking at me as I'm vlogging here, but I came out here today for the Dia de los Muertos festival that is going to be taking part here over the weekend. And I guess it's called Day of the Dead, and I guess in some ways it's a religious slash family tribute, where a lot of Mexican families pay tribute to their past ancestors and things like that. And right now they're kind of getting things set up here for the festivities, as you can kind of see. But yeah, just really cool, and I'm really glad to be here. And I'm just using my old Google Maps right now to walk back to my hotel here. But this is really a tremendously vibrant city, and there's a lot of culture and art. So I just wanted to let you guys know and encourage you guys to come out here sometime and check out Mexico City. It's really cool. It is. It's just a really beautiful day. When I came in here, it was freezing cold, but now the weather's very pleasant, like it is in Southern California. So yeah. So anyway, the plan now is just to go back to the hotel, chill out, and just kind of get ready for you know, for the Dia de los Muertos festival. So anyway, hope all is going well, and I will check in with you guys later. Gonna get a last shot here of this city center that I'm looking at here, one of the city centers, I guess. So anyway, this is Dhaval signing off here from Mexico City, and I will check in with you guys later. All right, take care.